Welcome back, guys. So in this video we're going to continue moving forward with the layout. We made pretty good progress so far, and I just want to continue that. So yeah, looks good. Looks like a good hotel area. Later on we're going to be adding more panels to this. So we're going to add panels to replace the walls with elevators. We're going to add exit signs, lights on the walls, light fixtures, things like that, carpet, ceiling. So it's going to look really rough until we start adding more to it. So one thing I do want to do is grab this piece, rotate it about 180 degrees. And I know I added a lot more space than a typical hallway, but in a gaming environment, you need a little bit more space. So that's why I did that. Let's get this baby lined up. Those actually lined up, or is it a little bit offset? Looks like it's a little bit further back. There you go. Grab these dividers, grab that doorway, the wall panel, slide this baby down this way. Let me switch to detailed lighting so I can see a little bit better. I have bad eyes. Rotate this. This is a little bit off. Looks good right there. Don't forget the hotkey F. And this ceiling piece here, we're gonna leave this for now. Don't need it. We'll rotate these two. 180 degrees. We're going to be replacing these here later on with other pieces, but for now I just needed something for it to go with. Give it some type of depth to the scene. I can't wait till we start adding more objects besides the same panels, because it gets a bit mundane. Need some pictures hung up. So now we'll press play, and I'll press F11. Now check this out. We'll change the collision here later on, so we can actually walk through these doorways. This thing's coming together more and more. So in the next video, we'll do our last layout for now before adding more pieces. So we have to go back to Blender in a couple of videos so we can start modeling a few more assets. So far this looks really good. You can kind of see what it is that we're going for. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up as always. And please tell more people about the video so we can get more people involved in this course and build a community. If you guys are enjoying it, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one.